Hello guys, before this video starts, this scenario will be my scariest EAS scenario yet. So, enjoy watching.
The following message was transmitted at the request of the United States government and the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. This is not a test. To repeat, this is not a test. At 9:46 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, NASA just discovered that every single object in the solar system, including the sun, is spiraling out of control. And if one object hits the Earth, then we're done for. If you don't know what I mean by that, giant meteoroids will form, massive earthquakes of the Richter scale will form, and the sun will be blown over entirely. I don't know how long years, depending on what object, asteroid, or planet will crash into the Earth. There is no way you can stop everything in the solar system to drop on an object and flop like a fish. There is no way we can stop this situation. Go into panic mode. If you are a holy person, pray to your God or goddesses. I'm sorry that NASA had to see this, but this is for your own good. Let's just hope that everything in the Milky Way galaxy is not acting like this. May God be with you all.
Okay guys, quick note before the video ends. Was that EAS scenario so scary to you? Did that scenario give you nightmares? Well, I hope you did, cause this is a test of you being scared. Oh, and anyways, I want to tell you something. Which one was my scariest EAS scenario? The one that I made 2 days ago called Hyperion Collision, or the one that I made yesterday called Europa Collision, or this scenario which was made today? Drop your answer in the comments. Also, I'll also make a vote in the poll, so get ready. Anyways, have a good night and sweet dreams.